G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at potentially your new dream home site, 23 Bowarrady Court in the popular bayside suburb of River Heads. This property comes complete with a fantastic shed. We've got power and water already connected, but you do have to take to the air to appreciate just where we are. Let's go up and take a look around. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in the popular bayside suburb of River Heads. Keen anglers will note that the River Heads boat ramp and pontoon are only minutes away, which is the gateway to access the Great Sandy Straits, Gary, Fraser Island, and both the Mary and Susan rivers, which are a boating, fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You'll also enjoy the convenience of having local convenience stores and Hervey Bays essential amenities, all only a short drive away, including the airport and airport shopping precinct, shopping centres, including Stockland and Pialba Place, hospitals, Hervey Bay Golf Course, the Hervey Bay Marina, Hervey Bay's beautiful esplanade, cafés, restaurants and the beach. 23 Bowarrady Court River Heads features a 2,020 square metre allotment offering views across the Great Sandy Straits to Gary, Fraser Island. This block is serviced by water, power and you've got NBN available. And the centrepiece of this block to get you started is that fantastic 18 by 9 metre triple bay shed with power connected and high 3.4 metre entry doors. Two of these also have remotes. But wait, there's more. This shed comes complete with a 4-ton clear floor hoist. And you've got a 13.2 kilowatt solar power system on the roof to get you started. Vacant lots with a shed like this rarely become available. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.